You've probably heard this before that dogs only see in black and white. But is that true? Well, not exactly. Dogs can see color, but not the way we do. Today we're diving into what the world really looks like through your dog's eyes. Stick around because we've got side-by-side comparisons, fun science, and some adorable pup footage you don't want to miss. The big myth. Let's clear up the biggest myth right away. No, dogs do not see the world in black and white like an old-timey movie. That's a myth that's been floating around for decades, but it's totally outdated science. In reality, dogs see in color, just with a more limited range than humans. To understand how dogs see, we need to look at what's going on inside their eyes. How color vision works. Both humans and dogs see color thanks to special cells in the eye called cones. Think of cones like color detectors. Humans have 3 types of cones. One for red, one for green, and one for blue. With those 3 cones, we can mix and match millions of colors, like purple, teal, yellow, or even neon pink. But dogs? They only have 2 cones, blue and yellow. This is called dichromatic vision, and it's kind of like living in a color world with some pieces missing. What colors dogs actually see? So, what colors can dogs see? They can see blues, grays, and yellows really well. But reds, oranges, and greens, those get totally mixed up. Red probably looks like a brownish gray. Green might come across as a dull yellow. Orange? Somewhere between tan and muddy yellow. Here's a fun way to picture it. Imagine you're wearing yellow-tinted sunglasses that mute out reds and greens. That's sort of how the world looks to your dog. Toy test. Ever wonder why your dog ignores the red toy in the green grass? It's not because they're stubborn, it's because they probably can't even see it clearly. To them, that red toy just blends right into the grass. It looks like a grayish blob on top of a yellowish blob. But if you grab a blue or yellow toy, it's way easier to spot. If you're shopping for your pup, go with blue or yellow balls. Dogs versus humans. Who wins? So yeah, humans can see more colors. But does that mean our vision is better? Not exactly. Well, dogs may not see all the colors we do, but they're total vision pros in other areas. For instance, they have better night vision than we do. That's thanks to more rod cells in their eyes, the ones responsible for detecting motion and low light. Dogs are also way better at spotting movement in the distance. Ever wonder how your dog notices a squirrel a block away while you miss it? Yeah, that's their motion-sensitive superpower at work. Why dogs evolved this way? So why do dogs see fewer colors than us? Many believe that it all comes down to evolution. Dogs descended from wolves, and back then, color wasn't as important as movement, smell, and tracking prey. Their eyes evolved for survival, not art appreciation. Seeing a rustling animal in the bushes? More important than noticing a red apple. They needed to catch dinner, not admire a sunset. So instead of full-color vision, they developed superpowered night sight and motion detection. Totally worth the trade, but it's a topic of conflict among scientists. Eventually, from many religious perspectives, evolution is a myth. So if you don't believe in this theory, we respect your opinion. How dogs see the world beyond color. Now here's where it gets cool. Color isn't everything. Dogs rely way more on their nose than their eyes. In fact, their sense of smell is estimated to be up to 100,000 times stronger than ours. That means your dog might recognize you more by scent than by sight. And let's not forget hearing. Dogs can hear higher frequencies and from farther away than we ever could. So even though they don't see a rainbow of color, they see the world in a totally different, almost superhuman way. Dog vision simulation. If you want to really see what your dog sees, try a dog vision simulator. There are apps and filters that shift colors to mimic canine vision. You'll be shocked at how different your house, your yard, even your face might look. It's not about being better or worse. It's just a completely different perspective. So can dogs see color? Absolutely. Just not the same colors we do. They see the world in blues, yellows, and grays. And that's totally okay, because they experience the world through smell, motion, and sound in ways we'll never fully understand. If you learned something new today, give this video a like, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment. What color toy does your dog love the most? And don't forget to give your furry friend a cuddle from me. See you in the next video.